Hello and welcome to the Grundfos video guide on how to reply to an MDS request with a level 1 declaration. The first step is to log in. If you're experiencing any login issues, please make sure to watch our video on login issues in CDX. Now, when you're logged in, you need to make sure that you're in the MDS view. To ensure this, please click the personal settings icon and then click MDS view. When you're in the MDS view, you need to go to the inbox and then click MDS requests and then click search on the far right to find your MDS requests. Once you've clicked search, the list should appear. Double click on a request to review it. After double clicking, you will see an overview of the request. Here you will be able to see part material name as well as part number. Mine is just called test and has no part number as this is indeed just a test, but yours will have the correct information. If this is the first time you're going to edit a request, you should be able to click Create MDS in the bottom right corner. Proceed to click that and then confirm by clicking OK. Now you will see a list of regulations. This is the same list as our focus list, which is Grundfos' restricted substance list. To learn more about the Grundfos focus list, please watch our video on the Grundfos focus list. Now, please also bear in mind that this list of regulations is a general list that needs to apply to all of our suppliers. Therefore, every single one of these regulations might not be relevant for the specific product that you supply. For example, packaging is only relevant for suppliers who supply packaging just like cardboard boxes and plastic wrapper, just like batteries is only relevant for suppliers who supply batteries. Now, let me go ahead and make an example. When you're filling in information, you can't leave any of the fields blank. That means that you will need to reply with either a yes, a no, or not applicable. Reply yes when you comply with the given regulation, no when you don't, and not applicable when the given regulation is not relevant for your specific product. Now, if there is a regulation that you don't comply with and you will have to reply no, you should go ahead and watch our video on how to reply to an MDS request with a part declaration instead, because you will have to declare substances or make an exemption which will not be covered in this video. So, if you're going to reply no to regulation, please go ahead and watch our video on how to reply to an MDS request with a part declaration. Now, let's say that I comply with these regulations. And then let's just say that batteries isn't relevant for the product that I supply, so that's not applicable. Let's say that packaging isn't applicable either. And then the rest are relevant and I comply with them, so I go ahead and click yes. In relevant data provided, you should always reply with no obligation to declare. Once you've filled in all of these fields, please head to the recipient data tab in the top. And then in the drop-down menu that's called Companyspecific, you will be able to see 5 more regulations. The procedure here is the same, and let's say that I comply with all of these as well. So I go ahead and reply yes, yes, and yes to all of them. And then in relevant data provided, I still reply with no obligation to declare. Now, once you've filled in all the information, you need to do what's called execute a check, which is just checking for mistakes to see if you made any along the way. So please click the execute check icon, which is right here. And then in the bottom of the screen, you will see the check results. As you can see here, I have 0 errors, but I have 3 information. As long as you don't have any errors, you are good to go, as the information are just information and can actually be ignored. So, when you have 0 errors, you are ready to send us your reply. Please head back to recipient data in the top. And then there is a button right here that says send. Go ahead and click that. And then confirm that you want to send it by clicking send. Afterwards, we will review your reply and then we will get back to you if anything is not correct. So once you reply to an MDS request, if you don't hear anything from us, it means that everything is good. If you have any questions in regards to any of this, please go ahead and write a mail to our focus list mail, which is focus-list@grundfos.com with the subject Level 1 Declaration Help. Thank you very much for watching.